Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Beautyistic. You know, finding a toothbrush that actually makes brushing feel effortless while still giving you that deep clean can be surprisingly tricky. Well, today we're exploring a tool that promises just that: the Colgate 360 Vibrate Charcoal Battery-Operated Toothbrush Pack. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review that could elevate your daily routine. This set comes with 2 sleek black toothbrushes, each infused with charcoal bristles and including 1 AAA battery per brush. What makes it interesting is how it merges the comfort of a manual toothbrush with the added power of vibration. The bristles are soft with Floss Tip technology designed to reach in between teeth, though of course, this doesn't replace actual flossing. The toothbrush also claims to clean your whole mouth, including teeth, gums, tongue, and cheeks, thanks to its sonic vibration technology. Using these brushes was surprisingly smooth. They felt comfortable in the hand, and the soft bristles made brushing gentle on my gums while still feeling thorough. The vibration adds a noticeable boost, helping to lift plaque and debris without any extra effort. I tested it in the morning and at night, and it definitely left my mouth feeling cleaner compared to a standard manual toothbrush. One minor thing to note is that the battery is included, but replacements aren't rechargeable, so you'll need to keep a few extras handy if you use it daily. What I really liked is how the charcoal-infused bristles felt on my teeth. They gave a subtle polishing effect without being abrasive. The toothbrush is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes brushing less of a chore. On the flip side, some might prefer a fully rechargeable or electric model for longer-term convenience, but for a battery-operated option, this works really well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of value, you're getting 2 brushes in 1 pack, which is convenient for travel or sharing. While you could find cheaper battery-operated brushes, the combination of charcoal bristles, floss tip design, and full mouth vibration makes this set stand out in its price range. The build quality is solid, with a sturdy handle and soft bristles that hold up well even with repeated use. Comparing it to other battery-operated toothbrushes, the Colgate 360 feels gentler than some of the more aggressive models, which can be great for sensitive gums. Its compact, lightweight design also makes it easier to store and carry than bulkier electric brushes. Overall, this toothbrush delivers a thorough, comfortable clean and adds a touch of tech-powered efficiency to your daily routine. It's best suited for anyone looking for a gentle but effective brush with added benefits like charcoal bristles and full mouth vibration. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box.